Hi everyone, in this video let's see how to create radio buttons. We can see there are three radio buttons, red, blue and green. If I click on red radio button, it will convert the whole window into red, blue, blue, green, green. So let's see how to implement this. First we have to import Tkinter. Import Tkinter as TK. From Tkinter, import TTK. We are going to create three variables for three colors. Color 1 is equal to red. Color 2 is equal to blue. Color 3 is equal to green. So now we have three colors. Now we are going to create a class root class. This is the subclass of TK. Then we are going to initiate it, init self tk dot init self. Then we are going to set the title as radio buttons, radio buttons self dot main size 600 400. First we will create our widgets, radio buttons, radio button self dot radio values is equal to tk dot int var. First radio button is equal to ttk dot radio button self text is equal to color 1. The variable is equal to self dot red values value is equal to 1. Then we are going to place this, give the location of the radio button 1, grid column is equal to 0, row is equal to 0, sticky is equal to tk dot west, W means west, column span is equal to 3. We are going to copy this and paste it below because it is going to take some time. We have to change to radio button 2 and then color to value also 2. It's same for radio button 3. We have to change it 3, color 3 and value 3, and rows also, rows 1, 2. Right. Next we are going to create the root object. Root is equal to root dot main loop. So now 3 radio buttons have been created. Self dot radio button. Let's test this code. There is one error here. It is the simple spelling mistake. Okay, then let's run this. Okay, 3 radio buttons have been created. Now let's see how to use this radio button. Event self rad selected is equal to self dot rad values dot get. So what if we select radio button 1? Selected is equal to 1. We have given the values there. So if we select that, then what will happen? Self dot configure. So what to change? The background of the window to color 1. Color 1. Next, elif rad selected is 2, then what to do? Self dot configure background is equal to color 2. Next, what if it is selected 3? Then the color has to be 3. So let's see what the error is. Error is invalid syntax. So I forgot to put the colon. So now it is fine, there are no errors. Let's run this code. Press the F5. Now click on red, blue, green. Okay. One thing is we didn't add this method to radio buttons, so we have to add the command attribute. Command is equal to self dot read event. So let's copy paste the same thing here. Copy to the second radio button and third radio button too. So I guess now it has to work. Let's press F5 and click on red. Yeah, it is working.